The next stock procedure I'd like to show you is how we load items that have linked pack sizes to them. So there's a couple of, two main scenarios here. There's a cigarette shop scenario where we're linking cartons to packs, or packs to cartons, should I say. And then also in a bottle store environment where we're linking singles and six packs to a case. Okay, so let's do the former first. Let's do the cigarettes. So in this case, I'm just going to do a carton of Peter Stuyvesant. Okay, I'm just going to call it Peter S, and we're just going to call it carton. Okay, and this will be cartons. Okay, and let's say BAT, British American Tobacco, the supplier, and I'm not going to worry about, let's just say the cost is $3.89 for a carton, and we're going to sell the carton for $4.99. Okay. All right, and I'm going to make this pack size is 10 because there's 10 packets in a carton. All right. Okay, and we are going to say stock on hand. I've got 2 of them, and I'm going to make the item by clicking save. I've created the carton. Now I'm going to create the pack. So let's say Peter Stuyvesant pack. All right. Sorry, I should have actually made it cigarettes, not carton. The previous one, it doesn't matter. Cigarettes. Okay, and we're going to make this cost is, let's say, 37 Rand. And we're going to retail it for 45 Rand, and we're just going to save it. Okay, so that's the packs and the singles with their respective pack sizes. So pack size in this case I'll leave as 1 because it's a single pack. On my cartons, it's 10 because there's 10 packs in a carton. Okay, let's just make this cigarettes just for the sake of this. Okay, so now let's say, for example, when you load cigarettes, you 9.5 times out of 10 you're loading the cartons, and the packs are linked to the cartons. Okay, so you will then break up the packs the cartons. Let's say you're breaking up a carton, so you've got 10 packs on the shelf, 10 packs of cigarettes. But now going forward, you want the system to do that automatically. So just for illustrative purposes, you can see I've got a Peter Stuyvesant carton there, 2 of them. I've got no packs. But now, before I sell, I need to tell the computer that these 2 are linked to each other. So the general rule of thumb is to link this smaller pack to the bigger pack. Again, this is in the help file explained in detail, linking pack sizes. Okay, so I'm going to first start with my carton by copying the carton's product code. So there, PLU code, I'm going to right click, I'm going to copy it. Okay, and then I just close it. Cancel, close, or I just close it on the top on the window. Okay, then I go to my packs. So remember, the general rule of thumb is to link the smaller, which I'm now on, the pack, to the bigger carton. So to do that, I go to the information tab. Okay, I then select this option that says this product is linked to, and I just go and paste my carton's product code in there. And then I click on the button that says check PLU. So you'll see now when I click check PLU, you'll see over here Peter S carton has come up. So then I know that I'm linking this product to the correct pack or carton. Okay. Once I've done that, I just click save, and that's it. That's now set up. If I go into my carton, you'll see under the description there, this is linked to this product code is linked to this product, Peter S pack, and vice versa. If I go into my pack, you'll see there linked to Peter Stuyvesant carton underneath the description there. Okay, so again, just to show you that there are 2 cartons, there's no packs. Okay, so now I'm going to go and sell. Before I do that, in the previous example, I showed you the interface, the touchscreen. I'm just going to switch that off. Okay, I'm going to go to my point of sale. I'm now going to explain to you 2 things: how to do the sale of the pack and show you how it breaks it up from the carton. I'm also going to show you how to program these buttons at the bottom here. So to program these buttons and tabs, I click or I push F8 on my keyboard. Okay, so you'll see in the bottom right hand corner here, button edit on is on, tab edit on. So these are the tabs, obviously these are the buttons. So each tab has a number of buttons. So It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4. So each button, each tab has 24 buttons. So let's just say in this case, I'm going to program this button. So we're going to say, right, Peter Stuyvesant pack. So I call the item up, I search it, I select it, and I save it. So there you can see I've programmed that button as the pack. If I want to change the tab descriptions here, I can just say cigarettes, let's say lighters, and I'm just going to take these out. Okay, and I'll save it. So you'll see at the bottom it's programmed the tabs as I've set them up. I just click close, and that's it. So that's my tabs and my one button that I programmed as the pack. Okay, so I can either scan the product, okay, or I can search for it, or I can click on the button here. So I'm just going to sell 2 packs. So clients come in, he's bought 2 packs of cigarettes, okay, Peter Stuyvesant. At the end of the sale, let's make it a card sale or EFT sale this time. End of save. Okay, I'm not going to print anything or whatever for now. And that's it. I've done the sale. To illustrate now what's happened, we're going to go back to the Stockmaster. We're going to call up Peter Stuyvesant. Okay. So there you'll see what's happened. So if you have a look at the cartons, it's now 1. It's now automatically broken up. Remember, it's broken the carton up into 10, and I've sold 2. So it's gone to my Peter Stuyvesant pack, carton, it's broken it up into 10, and I've sold 2, which means I should have 8 packs on the shelf. So that is linking of the pack sizes. The same can be achieved by recipe. So you can do it this way, which I've explained how to link the single to the bigger one, or the carton of 10. You can also do it by via recipe. So in a recipe, you'd very simply go into the pack. You would obviously now detick this because you want to link it in this way. You want to create a recipe and then say, right, there's a bill of materials item. I'm going to go add it. I'm going to call up the Peter Stuyvesant. Let's just take that off there because I didn't mark it as a bulk product. I'm going to call up Peter Stuyvesant carton. I'm going to say, right, when I sell a pack, what must it take off this one? Let's just take off 1. So I can do the same. This will do the same thing as the linking of the pack size. Will also, just every time I now sell one, it's going to take off 1 off the carton, 1 pack, and I save it. In this case, I'm not going to do it for this. I'm just going to cancel. But there is 2 ways of skinning the cat here. Right, the next example will follow. That will be linking bottles or singles and 6 packs to a case of, let's say, beer.